What does ongoing FDA compliance counsel actually cost for a private label or contract manufacturing business? Most small brands pay a modest monthly retainer for ongoing counsel, often far less than what a single compliance mistake costs to fix after the fact. Here's why that gap matters. Responding to an FDA warning letter typically costs tens of thousands of dollars. Once you add attorney time, corrective action plans, and lost sales while you scramble to respond, a product recall starts at a minimum of hundreds of thousands of dollars and can climb far higher depending on how widely the product shipped. Ongoing counsel exists to catch the labeling error or documentation gap before it turns into either one. So before you decide proactive counsel isn't worth the cost, do the comparison honestly. Price out what a warning letter or recall would actually cost your business today. Weigh that against a monthly retainer and get a compliance review done before you sign your next big retailer contract, not after. Contact us today to talk about what ongoing FDA compliance counsel would look like for your business.